So we're gonna start playing Alfred Chicken in this case. First thing that I need to do, and I always forget, is that I need to set the aspect ratio to original. And we go with the 28 scroll, and now let me save it this way. There we go. Yeah, Alfred Chicken, 27k. I think we got that. But I have no idea, so we're gonna learn the game as we go. So, reduce the music. So, no unlimited lives, no unlimited time. We start at default stage, and I'm using an arcade stick, and as you can see, we're in. So, let's see what this game is about. Don't forget that many of these games we also have to like learn, kind of, what are the games, what is the idea of that very game, how does the game work? And for many, I don't have any clue, so... This, for example, is a new one to me. I never played Alfred Chicken. But looking at the list, 27k, I think, means a bit of work will be there. Okay, so there's this UFO taking away stuff. Space for options? No, we go straight in. Fire to play. Okay, let's figure out the controls. Is it a 1-button, 2-button game? Okay, up to jump. It's the first thing I have to notice. We can hold up to kind of like flop our wings. Oh, okay. And we can hold down to get even higher, as you can see here. But the question is, can we get even higher than that, or is that the maximum? It's the maximum, kinda. Okay, and we... Okay. Let's see, can we, for example... Ah, okay. We can do that. Okay, no idea as to what that thing does. Look at the chicken chat. Vam is already liking the game, it seems. Let's see if we can reach that one as well. Okay, no, we gotta go from above. That's not a big problem though. Okay, we need to destroy something probably to get this. Question is what and how. Ah, okay. Oh, you can peck? Okay, that's cool. That's kind of hilarious. I'm pretty sure we can go even higher here if we do specific things, so let's check what happens if we take care of that other balloon down there. Okay, now it tells us still 2 balloons that we need to take care of. We're gonna figure it out. The chicken saving other chickens from aliens in this cheese mech. How can I not like this game? Vam is already taking sides here with the chicken, which is totally understandable. Maybe that door up there isn't the level exit, but actually something we need to use. So let's see. Okay, yeah. Okay, we have no idea what this toggle does, but we activated it. Ah, it's a star switch. Yeah, okay. Now, this means, yeah, okay. So the star should also work now outside of this area. Should. Keep my words. Look at pal Alfred, he's so chill. Does this lead to anything? No. So this is best to be not used that way. this is best to be used this way. Okay. Now we got them stars. Alfred is buzzing. Alfred plushes when? That might be a bit of a long-term goal then. I don't think I want to make plushes for Alfred now. The game doesn't have that much to offer so far, so, you know. I don't want to jump the gun here. So let's see. So let's get that balloon fixed. Whoa, whoa, whoa! The level is over the moment you hit the balloon? And we jump straight into bonus level? Okay, we can fly freely, and I thought we were on like a fixed horizontal. Stage clear. Damn, if we knew, we could have gotten so much more points. But we know for next time. I mean, we're now at 11k, 830, and 27k 310 is the actual, like what people said so far. And I want to go clearly beyond that. So Alfred it is for today, huh? I mean, I at least want to try to get 2 games a stream. Some games, you know, are super quick to play. Some will take quite a lot of time. But the packing is cute. Can't change my mind about that fact. Like, look at him pack. He's like, buck, buck. Buck, 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 buck. Okay, let's go in here. Okay, what does the bomb do? Uh-huh. Why is there all of a sudden this? Okay, I mean... This game is full of mystery. Okay, we get A, B, C. Let's go with A, huh? It's a test run. Quack! Okay. We got some item. The game is very happy that we got, so... That's fine. Alright, that's cool. He says help. Nice. Oh, I thought we reached this one easily. That is one less... Ah! They act like checkpoints at the same time, huh? You found your long-lost feather. It's a fairy in disguise. Imagine. You're very much enticed by this game, huh? So what does the bomb do? What the bomb doing? Okay, let's go A again. Now we know. I'm telling you what. This I can take right on from here. Oh. Now we just have to wait. Look, we can like tell the feather where to go. Okay, now we're just waiting on the platform. There we are. Merry-go-round. Ah, I get it, okay. These are just like the rotation points of it. Ooh, bomb, chill a bit. That was not so nice. The pack is awesome, I know, right? See, now we got these here. Look at that snail. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. No, we're gonna wait that out. Goodbye. Honk. Oh, okay. I mean, there was a door, but at the same time, I'm just interested to see where all this stuff leads. Oh no! Oh, good, all good, all good. I love. There was actual Alfred chicken plushies? Maybe it was a Sega game as well. It just has the Sega vibe to me personally, I don't know. Could just be me though, you know? Okay, it wasn't not what we wanted, but it's not that bad actually, because Alfred is a very dexterous chicken, as you can tell. If we pack this one, we only got one more, so let's get stuff first. Yes. I think I can now slowly take my route down here to the door. Yes. Multi-platform chicken. Yes. Oh, Alfred's Kubin. Chimkin. We almost got all the diamonds. That maybe gives us bonus points, who knows? Oh, okay. That was a typical off-screen spook, I would say. Like, just so you know, this is not your range. And I'm like, alright, I figured. Okay, we got him. All gems collected. Beautiful. This one quite has the velocity on it. What? No! You gotta be kidding me. Bruh. Bruh. Yeah, it's okay. We don't know the game, so these things can happen, of course. It's just a bit of a hassle that we need to go all the way back to toggle a switch to go all the way forward again. Not very cool of you, Mr. Game Designer. Nice way of teaching me the ropes. But the soundtrack is actually kind of cute. But it's just funny that they just doubled the lead to give this delay-esque effect when there could have been so much more done. Then it's okay. Then again, it's okay. It just fits the game. Bruh. So, and now, again with the speed of light. And no matter what button I press, it doesn't swim faster or slower, guys. Mind that. He's a chicken, not a fish. Yeah, but if it's about scores, I would guess that a chicken even knows how to hurry up. He got even scuba gear, dude. He got scuba gear, right? You would think. This game's from 1993. So there's been enough games having the same example of game design put to the test. They knew where to steal from if they wanted to. New Zealand story, way earlier, way better mechanics. But again, it's like a 50-50. I'm doing this on one hand to, so let's go. Come on. Oh, there we go. Goodbye. To like check out games on the other to get more scores, so it's all fair game, I guess. Wait till we start playing Mad Bomber. That's where it starts getting boring for you guys to watch, I'm pretty sure. Nice, we got all of them. So 27,310 is the current record. That's all there was for this game, so this is the only thing we need to beat, and we're very close to that. But with that, did he just snort? He was like... And all of a sudden the teleporter opens up into another Doctor Who universe. This game. Yeah, I think we can go way beyond this course that we have, that people have set so far, so that's a cool thing at least. So the big question here is, for example, how do we get in here when there is no wall jump? Maybe there's a way to open the things up here, or... I think we'll get to it one way or another, eventually. They don't really pose much threat, but maybe this is one of those games, you know, where the difficulty skyrockets. There we go. He was like, hey, you know what? Do this feeling mighty confident about Alfred the chick. Maybe we should teach him a lesson. He's like, yeah, let him die, man. Okay, we gotta use the door. We got to use the door. I don't trust a block which has a skull on it. There you go. That's why you don't. But the question is, I just touched it and this happened. There's something in this game which we haven't solved yet. How to like move on from this part here. I can just pretend to be a chicken. There's one of these things I can do, but what about this next room? That's just bugging me. Because this will lead us back, right? Yeah, this just leads us back. So we have these... Aha! That's one way then, I guess. There are ways. There are ways. Okay. Oh. Let's activate the hover mode. Because we know better. We do, right? Oh yeah. Ha! He was like, oh, this is the docile chicken. I can't... Oh no. Then he learned the truth. The unbearable and unchangeable truth that we are a very hostile chicken. Okay. Okay, but we cannot jump from this, so once we touch this, it's take damage and goodbye land, right? So, how do we get out of this part, though? Ah, okay. If you hold up, Jimkin will jump once. That's about it. The other thing is can we break the ice here? Something I'm interested to see. Can we break the ice on the right? Or is it ice? Like, it looks a bit like something we could maybe break. I guess I want to check it out. So let's give it a shot. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see. Where does this lead us? Aha, it just tells us to go down. I'm gonna hold here. Oh. Are these enemies? Oh. Excuse me. But they only add 10 points, so they're not that crazy much worth it, but somehow they still are. This game is such simplistic, ooh, in nature, and at the same time it's so much fun. Okay, we won't reach you again, buddy, but hey, see that down here? The face? I have a bad feeling about this face. I want to hit those slopes, you slide a bit. Okay. This guy has a cannon. Okay, something down here? No. I guess we just took this path because it just opened up to us. This was important, probably. Yeah, it was, because now we have these. Oh, what? How should you know that they explode and then they shoot horizontally as well? Bruh. This game. Hey man, it is what it is. So let's bait this guy here. See, he didn't shoot. He just chilled. Yeah, please transform. Yeah, you can! Ah, this game! I just want to finish this level, come on. Why does the game all of a sudden scale that hard? And not in the sense of that the game is difficult, in the sense of all of a sudden the game is just like, hey, I don't want you to see more of this stuff actually. So we gotta bait these guys. So here, number one, bait. Oh, no projectiles this time. So let me jump. Okay, no projectile for you as well. Okay, you do your own thing. Okay, no. That we need. Those we need as well. Oh, well, if that's a thing, then it's a thing. Okay, we cannot take this path, but the other one. So that's okay, that's okay. Oh, we just gotta go to the right first. and get 50 points and do it again. And now... Ah, look at that. So basically, we just learned that having the star on is good, having the other on is bad, right? Great. I'm happy we were all able to confirm that I need to do all of this stuff now again. To reach the last door so we can finish this. This game is mean, man. Oh. Wow. But then this happened. That was cool. That was cool. Changed my mind. Ah! Guys. Oh, but we get this spawn. At least that. At least that. So. Oh, the game. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Blow your horse, buddy. Ah. Give me that one up, thank you. Nice, at least we found a secret passage. There you go. Get Alfred, bruv. There's a radio. Radio! Let's go. Okay, so record is taken care of for now. Now we only get 2 lives. Oh, what is that? Oh! We got a weird shmup sequence now, huh? The eggs are far, far away. You will never see them again. Ah, ah, ah. Alright, let me tell you what you will never see again. The life bar being that full. I mean, it's not really decreasing, right? You're a bit of a tanky boy. There you go, goodbye. Huh, we just shot it. That was okay. Let's catch all while we have the vertical space. Okay, see, here we already have to move a bit. So you better start high. Nice, we got all of it. One up. Nice. I think we cleared the first world. Stage 4 is class. Huh, that's kind of cool. He's left, right, shoot. Oh. Left, right, can't be killed. What about you? Okay. This is full of wonders. Wait, is the level getting higher? Yeah. Oh. It's an auto-scroller. Okay. Now that we know, we better get there quick. So you're faster than me getting there manually, so we're gonna do it like this. Thanks for telling me, game. Wait, what? Ah! I wanted to hit that top. This game sure has its issues with being weird as heck. Holy. Yeah, of course, the moment I want to hit you, you're like... Oh. Oh. But can't I jump higher from these? What is this? I'm not getting smart out of this level design. Oh. Oh, now it dies. So the last moment it dies and you have to jump over to another section. The game became from just being super neat and nice to get into a full-on knowledge check. Mind that. Mind that. And of course you will get sniped by these weird guys. Now we have to wait. But in the meantime, you see Alfred is going hard at it. Ah, there we go. What? Okay, and the log, of course, as well. It's like, don't ask me. Okay, but we got our Alfred chicken score that I'm happy about. I guess there's no high score. You just see the score on the end screen. If I press space, high scores. Oh, there it is. That's level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and today's best is 40k 180. So that's our score for today. Nice. Doody, doody, doody. Nice. That I can work with. So,